How you going, everyone? And welcome back to Sensibility. This evening we have a new house that I haven't smelt before on this channel, or actually I've never really smelt apart from a impression or a dupe or a clone of this house at all. But I have my first bottle. It is not brand new. I bought this through a fragrance group that's here in Australia. Great price, which always helps. But it is Nishane's Fan Your Flames. Out of all of these, this one stuck out the most to me when it came to terms of what I've heard from people that I feel are reputable, not just on a hype, but also it seemed different, and I was kind of taking a gamble because it is coconut, rum, tobacco, then it has ambergris, and things like that. So no, not ambergris, oak moss, I think it was cedar and oak moss, Chinese cedar. I'll give you the real notes down the bottom. But anyway, as I said, great price, nice hefty bottle, big cap, very weighty metal cap. Nice thick glass bottle. These are extrait to parfum, so they are strong. This is a 50ml. It's a very small bottle. You can see the lid is pretty much most of the weight. I think that could be a magnetic cap because it's not very tight, but it's definitely metal. But yeah, this is, I've had it on my hand for a good few hours now, and at the start when you spray it, it is very medicinal. I'm thinking kind of like, it has a bit of like a wintergreen kind of medicinal factor to it, but it's not sweet. So I don't know why on Fragrantica it says it's like super sweet, is very high. It is not sweet at all. It's this toasty coconut mixed with rum, and then you have this mild tobacco leaf in the background and this really big medicinal cedar wood with that kind of bitter greeny animalic oak moss going through it, which could also give it that sort of animalic medicinal factor. It is strong, but it is amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm glad this blind buy turned out very well. It's just different. It's just different. It's not your tropical pina colada. It's not like Baronda, where it has that kind of peachy, schnapps, coconutty kind of tropical cocktail feel. It's not like that at all. It's not. As I said, nothing sweet about this. It's just boozy, toasted, deep, animalic, bitter green. Everything I love. Nishane, Fan Your Flames. Get your nose on it. I'm now excited to smell some more from Nishane. I'll see you next time.